All present, except the man himself. Hi, I'm Ray. Buju Banton passes on his own show launch. But a packed house for the kickoff of the Dancehall Stars' Long Walk to Freedom tour, as organizers declined to reveal ticket prices until the next morning.
No one, it seems, passing up the invitation to the Spanish courts Worthington Wednesday. Suspense ahead of Buju Banton's National Stadium appearance March 16 at fever pitch, and organizers ramping up the anticipation by revealing as little as possible, including ticket prices.
I can tell you that on March 16, it's not only an energy that he's bringing, but he has a lot to say, a lot to share with you, a lot to tell you.
And if anyone expected to see Banton in person at his Long Walk to Freedom launch, their hopes were dashed. They were shown a taped message instead.
And on the 16th of March, we endeavor to reconnect, yes, and pick up where we left off. So I'll be there, and I want to make sure I see you there. I'm not there tonight with you. Not in the flesh, but in the spirit, I am there. Yes? So, my love goes out to all. Thank you very much again for your love and your support. And until I see you in the National Stadium on the 16th of March, one love.
Buju Mania expected to produce a big payday come March 16, but organizers warning fans to beware of ticket scalpers and scammers, whilst at the same time sidestepping a question about ticket prices.
Each time everyone do something, they do it different. And sometimes the way the social media works now, everything goes in suspense, and sometimes it creates more, more ambience, more vibes for people to want to know what's going to happen at the show. So I think that's why they're doing it. But definitely, the artists, I could say, I would love to see the artists here. It would have given better vibes, but there's reasons behind their marketing strategy, so I don't know. But of course, ticket price is very important. The people who trying to save their money to come and see him, they've been waiting for years. So by now, them would have want to save their money. They say, all right, I put my money aside for come. Them don't know. But maybe within the next day or two.
It's another suspense aspect, to be honest. You know what I mean? It's like, at 11 o'clock, you want everybody ready to go and say, let me see. There's been memes with people saying, Buju ticket, Buju school fee. There's been things posted around where people say, wait, where them get them prices from? What is the astronomical price to come from? So everybody now is going to run to the site at 11 o'clock. You know what I mean? So it's another suspense factor too.
But there, you can be able to get tickets at physical spaces, but right now it's only online.
Yes, so that is another thing. One of the main concerns, because of the huge magnitude of this event, was scalping and making sure that the tickets, would be something that is really secured for security purposes and stuff. So online tomorrow will be, tomorrow and probably for the next few days will be the only way of getting tickets. But we can reassure that it's not a matter of everything going to sell out in a certain part of stuff. They'll make sure tickets are in store as well. So that was something to look out for.
When you say affordable, what's affordable?
Well, to be honest, that is another thing. I mean, affordable means that we are now in January. If you want to, and you're looking to purchase that ticket, you can purchase the ticket. That's affordable. And it's for, listen, there's different tiers. So each tier is affordable to each person, you know what I mean, or to each person's financial status.
Ticket prices revealed online Thursday at 11 a.m. Prospective showgoers now digesting affordability after the site initially crashed. But cost per ticket as of Friday, although some early bird tickets have sold out, VIP $180, general field access $100, grandstand $75, and bleachers between $32 and $36. Demand, it seems, could propel those prices higher. What's the music industry saying about the Buju show coming up on the 16th? And what do you hear? What's the word that's circulating?
Well, the words are out still. We are in. The grassroots people that really love Buju will not afford, can't afford it. That's the word out there.
But nonetheless, it's gonna ram. But as I said, just the grassroots people them who rub solar with him from day one to now. I gotta get left out. I'm gonna watch it on TV, Mr. Miller.
Buju Banton, the missing ingredient in dancehall music for almost 9 years, missed by many, including his peers.
Buju and Capleton can do like, you know, a roots show and a dancehall show. You know, we can do 2-3 hour dancehall, 2-3 hour roots. You know what I mean? So, you know, we go on the both sides of the music. But as me I say, you know, Buju night tonight, you know what I mean? We just want to say welcome home, and you know, the people looking forward to the event in the National Stadium, and you know, just keep doing what you're doing. It's all about righteousness. It's all about good over evil, you know, obstacle and, you know, opposition, you know what I mean? Trials, tribulation, that's just a part of the thing. These are they who pass through great tribulation.
One more. Are you going to be on the stage on the 16th?
You know, it named Buju and friends, you know what I mean? So, you know, I can't disclose that, you know what I mean?
Others also not disclosing very much, except that Buju Banton is currently the hottest ticket in Jamaica and likely to remain so for a while to come. Sumfest coming up this year. You want Buju Banton on your show. Have you approached him yet?
Of course we want Buju Banton on our show. He's a legend.
Have you approached Buju Banton to be on Sumfest 2019?
Yes.
And?
That's all I can say.
And that's saying a lot, perhaps. Expect more dribs and drabs of excitement-building news in the lead-up to the big day at the National Stadium. Many can't wait. Can you?
Whoa, whoa,